welcome back to Learning with the Difference News Headlines in English for 18th of June. And first of all, national news. India's highways to be expected to 2 lakh km by 2025, Nitin Gadkari. India UK launch fourth round of free trade agreement talked in Geneva. Thousands of vehicles stuck after landslide blocks Jammu Srinagar highway. Heavy rain hits part of Delhi, brings relief from heat. Air Force to begin recruitment under Agnipath scheme from June 24. Agnipath scheme protest, 20 bogies of 2 trains set on fire in Bihar. India supported China's initiative for joint border operation event in 2023. And now some international news. China to chair 14th BRICS virtual summit in Beijing. After Taiwan objects, Qatar changes its name on World Cup form. 2 million stranded as devastating floods hit Bangladesh again. Russia puts a number on foreign fighters killed in Ukraine, nearly 2,000. 2 killed, 20 injured in Russian strike on South Ukraine. Pakistan, one of the top 23 countries facing severe drought. US approved COVID vaccine for children 6 months and above. And now some sports news. England hit world record ODI score of 498-4 against the Netherlands. Josh Buttler, Dawid Malan and Phil Salt slam centuries. PCB wants discussion with other boards on IPL's window in ICC's next FTP calendar. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.